Raven's video. Again. Part Grow Garden ulit. Ito, may bagong nilagay na ako. Ito guys. May watermelon. May blueberry. May isang malaking blueberry. Ito yung bago. Nakita niyo na. Ito. Ito kayo kainin to eh. Ito yung platform. Hindi nakakasya eh. Rock your body, come on, rock your body, rock your body, rock your body, come on, rock your body, rock your body, come on, rock your body, rock your body, rock your body, come on, rock your body. Apat na ito eh, apat na squishy. Ito, blueberry, watermelon, platform. Ito, huwag na natin kailangan ito. Ito din. Kailangan na natin platform. Tagal soda pop. Okay guys, mawala ng oras. Blueberry ang sudundo. Blueberry is the best fruit in the world. Ay, papapita ko ito kay LG. Happy the back of found. When you got forgot about found. Tatar sa wellness. Oh. Corrupt nature. Corrupt nature. Okay guys, goodbye. Next part in Grow a Garden part 2. Bye.